Hi, in this video, I'll take you through the overview of the Graphy platform. To access your Graphy account, you just have to directly go to your Graphy domain and log in there, or you can also go to Graphy's website and just click on sign in to access your Graphy platform. Once you're logged in, you just have to click on visit dashboard and you'll be taken to the super admin panel. This is the home screen, which actually gives you a quick overview of what's happening onto the platform. Like you can check out last 30 days, what has happened onto the platform, where exactly you left last. You can directly click on this to go from here, or you can just scroll down to check out some more cards or the benefits that Graphy is offering. To actually check out the support, you can just click on this icon, which takes you to the support page as well. Right? In the left hand side, you'll be able to find out the navigation bar from where you can access the rest of the features. So we'll talk about these features one by one. Let me give you a quick one-liner overview first. In the product section, we'll discuss how one can create courses, packages, webinars, digital products. How one can launch membership, we'll talk about that in the membership feature. You can also manage your own communities in Graphy. We'll talk about that in the community section. Reports, we are able to check out the complete sales reports of the platform usage from here. We want to manage the complete user base of our platform on Graphy, so that can be done from users. Asset library actually can have got the complete content, whatever we have uploaded on the platform. That is actually our assets that actually becomes a part of the library, which can be utilized anytime. Under website and apps, we'll talk about how one can edit their website or create applications. Marketing, the different features we have on Graphy for marketing. The different third-party integrations we have on the platform, we'll talk about that in integrations part. In settings, we'll talk about the domain mapping payment gateway, what all functionalities we have in there. Right. So let's quickly jump onto the product section here and we'll start by creating a quick course here. Now that's one of the most interesting and most amazing part of creating a course in Graphy. You just have to click on create course option and enter the title. Let's say today we're going to talk about how to invest in mutual funds. Just taking a random topic here. So what I'll be doing is I'll just put in the title here and the description, the tagline. I'll be using AI to write all of that stuff for me. This might take a couple of seconds, but this will help me generate the complete description of my course, the tagline, the key learnings, the learning outcomes. Then I'll also get my meta description and meta keywords as well. That's writes for me. So here I've got everything for me. Right, I can go through that. If I want to delete anything, I can do that, or I want everything is good to go. I just have to click apply changes. That's it. I can make these changes later on as well if I want to. That's completely on to us. If you want to keep the course free, I can just tag this course as free right away. Or if I want to keep it paid, I can do that here. Let's say for now, I'm putting this price as 999 and I'll be discounting this as 499, 50% off. The pass internet handling fee simply means you want to pass on the payment gateway charges to the end user. You can do that or not. That's completely up to you. Once done, you simply click on next. That takes you to the course builder, wherein you can add content on the course. In the course, you can even generate the complete course outline again by using AI. That's again one of the amazing features here. Or if you have the content already prepared, you can just click on add manually and you can start adding the content. Now you can add any sort of content here. So you talk about the different types of content you would like to add here. We already have that option available with us. So let me just quickly show you. You can add PDFs here, recorded videos, audio files, COM packages, any downloadable files you want to add here, any text files, third-party links you can embed in iframe, quizzes you can conduct here, live tests you can conduct here. You can also conduct live classes which are powered by Zoom. The best part about this is there is no restriction in live classes that it's going to be a 40 minutes because it's a paid Zoom license of 500 users. So at any point of time, you can cater up to 500 learners as part of the live class. And you can even do it in a webinar mode as well. Then you can also give assignments to your users and use form to collect information. So let's say I'm just going to quickly add one heading here, module 1. Let's say this is going to be introduction to mutual funds. I'm just putting in random headings here. So please don't mind. So yeah, I got my first heading. Now under this, I can start adding as much content I want. I can upload the videos here. I can put in the third-party links here. The difference would be whatever I'm uploading is going to be secured and encrypted. That is not downloadable by any third-party sources available in the market. Whatever you're putting in as a third party, we do not assure the security of the same. Reason being it's not working at our end. Similarly, the PDFs as well, if you're uploading one uploaded at our end will remain secure, but anything outside public URLs will not be secured. Not just that, it's not just limited to it. If I'm, let's say, adding any video, it even will have a watermark as well, right? Which will allow which can avoid, which will actually help you in the screen recording as well. So let's say if someone is trying to screen record on a laptop, that actually helps us avoid that, because that dynamic watermark will have their name, email address, phone number randomly blinking on the video screen, which avoids that, right? So one can also add the HTML support, that is the description, video descriptions, right? You can also add captions to it. That is purely up to you, right? So that's how you can add the content. You can, once the content is added, you can simply go and check out the preview from here. Before publishing, if you also want to set up some rules, like you want to set up content scheduling, let's say you don't want the complete content to be released in single go, but you want that content should be released in a fixed dates, or it should be on enrollment date wise. So the day user is enrolling, after a couple of days, a certain content should unlock. Basis that, you can also add that here. Not just that, it even allows you to set up the sequential learning path. So users should not be able to skip the content, right? They should go in a sequential manner, which you have decided. So you can even set that and even enforce the complete video viewing. So all of that features is completely on to you on how you wish to deliver the content. Once all of this is set up, you can simply save it and publish the course. Now, as soon as the course is published, you'll get the link of the course, which you can start promoting it to the end users. So here we have got the link. I can just copy the link and simply check out what's happening. So you can open the link right away and you can check out that the how to invest in mutual funds, Mayank, one module, lifetime access 499, how to invest, all of the content is generated by AI and my landing page is already prepared. Now, this is a floating CTA, which actually ensures that any moment of time the user is planning to purchase, you can simply click on buy now and proceed with purchase. Going back, let's say I want to make any changes onto the platform, like I don't want to keep it lifetime. So what will I do? I can simply cross this out and go to the details section here, wherein I can change the details of it here. I can change the complete pricing here. So let's say I want to change the validity. I can just simply go and change the validity here. Let's say I want to keep it for 6 months. I'll do the changes here and it's done. I'm just going to save it. Now, let's say if for any of your courses, you also want the certificates to be offered to your learners. So you can simply go to certificates here and enable the same here, right? The default template is available here. You can design your own as well. You can even put the the certificate criteria as well. When should they get the certificate? That can be added here. So with that, you can actually go ahead and your course is completely created. Now we'll move to the packages. That simply means if you want to bundle a couple of courses and sell together, that can be sold as packages. Coming to the webinars, this is nothing but a meeting. Let's say if you don't want to create a course and want to conduct a live session for 2 hours, you can simply create it as a webinar. So this is, the name is webinar, but it eventually works as a Zoom meeting, because the more you're able to interact, right, the better it becomes for anyone to, get, like you are able to make a good connect with them when you are able to communicate with them. In webinar, that generally doesn't happen because it's a one-to-many. But in case of meeting, it's many-to-many, wherein you are able to make good connect and eventually you are able to convert people as well. So I'll quickly show you how exactly you can create it. Let's say I want to create a sample webinar. So I'll just put in a sample webinar, right? I can define the date and time when I want to do it. Let's say for 10th, whatever, and I'm putting in random time here whenever I want to do it. What is going to be the duration? I can define that here. The description I can mention here. Once done, if it's a paid webinar or a free webinar, I can toggle that accordingly. And going to the advanced settings, I can control the recording, the batch limit, the webinar host details, learning outcomes, all of that I can change here. I can just even update the images here. Once done, I just simply have to click on publish. Again, I'll get the link here, which I can open and check out how exactly my page is going to look like. People can register on the webinar in a very simple manner, just by either Google or by email OTP. They do not have to put any more information. So you can start sharing the link as well from here. Next, we have digital products. Again, that allows you to sell anything basically. You want to sell a document, a video, an image, text, or link, anything that you want to sell individually. Don't want to create a course for it. You can actually sell it through digital products. Right, going next, we have the question bank, wherein all the questions you create becomes a part of it. You can check out the assignments here. The live classes you can launch directly from here. You can even control the ratings and reviews which people give on your platform. So whether you want to show that on the landing page or not is completely up to you. Moving next, we have memberships wherein you can launch monthly, quarterly, or yearly membership for your learners. What are different benefits you can offer to your learners is that you can actually give them access to different courses that are available on the platform. They'll get access to an exclusive club, which is called the Members Club here, and they you can also write exclusive blogs for them here, which is not available for public. It can be exclusively for your members as well. These are the three different benefits that you can offer to your membership members club people. Not just that, you can even add a course which is specifically for your members and not available for the public, right? And probably it can also be that you're conducting live sessions every week or every month or every 15 days for them. And only the people who are got the membership are able to communicate. Another way would be the best way to engage with them is in the members club, which is one of the most, best, I would say the most easiest way to engage with your learners. This is a dummy, so it's nothing, it's blank here. So you can just keep on sharing some amazing content with them or communicate with them in the members club. The more they are engaged, the better will be the chances of renewal. Now, next we have is the community here. Now, there are three different types of communities that we offer on platform. One is obviously the members club, right? Second is open club. Open club means this is going to be for everyone. So anyone who creates an account on your platform automatically becomes a part of the open club. Now, you can actually engage. These are the free learners who have not purchased anything or who have purchased anything. You can keep sending the platform updates, the different courses or the sessions that you are coming up with. You can keep sharing with them so that learners can stay updated, right? Secondly, we have the course level club. So every course we create has got its own community, right? Wherein only the course learners are a part of it. So let's say if I have enrolled in a 21-day yoga challenge course, only then I'll be able to access the 21-day yoga challenge community. Now, this has got different channels as well. You can create more up to 10 channels, or you can even remove that, or you can even completely disable to the community. That's purely up to you, right? Next, we have the reports, wherein we can check out the uh, how much sales we are going to get on we're getting on the platform. That's the complete overview, wherein we can check out the sales, the learning time, and not just that, you can even check out how much revenue you're getting in from Graphy Assist as well, right? So different transactions that are happening onto the platform, you can check out here. Whether the settlements have happened on the platform or not, you can check out here. For webinars, we have got a completely different reporting structure. So how many people attended your webinar, you can just download the complete reports from here. And traffic is basically the complete traffic that you're getting on your website. You can actually check that out from here. Moving next to the user section, wherein you can check out the complete user. It's basically a complete user database. How many learners have created an account on your platform, right? You want to check out, you want to download the data by applying different filters. You can do all of that here. So you can apply the filters here. Once the filters are applied, you can go here and completely export that data. It's your data. You can download it at any point of time. Moving next, you can have you are the super admin. You want more people to be, let's say you want to share your access with your partner, and it's a super admin again. So you can create different accounts here. You can even have the create a sub admin account as well here. The sub admin accounts will be basically you can control the access of these accounts. So how much access you wish to give them. Let's say someone is into support team or design or marketing. So you decide what access has to be given to them, and basis that they'll be only able to access that much. Uh, you know that part of the platform. Again, we have instructors, wherein the courses which are assigned to the instructors or are created by them, they can only access that courses, right? Then you can also have your create affiliate accounts here, or any contact us form filled. You get that under the inquiries option here. Asset library, as I mentioned earlier, whatever content is uploaded on the platform becomes a part of the asset library that remains there forever until and unless you're not deleting it. So you can the benefit is that you can utilize this content at any point of time later on. Next is website and apps, wherein you can make changes onto the homepage. You just have to click on it. Here you can upload the cover image, the site logo, favicon, the brand name, tagline, description, about you. That's basically the creator details, the social links, the different features on the platform, the footfall feature. All of that details you can just define here. Even you can mention the SEO settings here, like what is going to be the page title, the description, and the keywords. You can add that here. Once done, the page is created automatically. Going back, you can also add the uh, meta description and keywords for the rest of the pages as well. These pages are already designed here, so you do not have to actually go into thinking about how you're gonna design that. We have already taken care of all of these pages. You can, if you want to change in terms of user policies, you can do that here. App Builder, where it allows you to create your application here, your Android and iOS applications you can create right from here as well. Right, we have already given the help videos on trainings.graphy.com. You can even check that out. You can just click on start building, add the what is going to be the app name, and just upload the logo here. Automatically, the rest of the things comes into place, and it's very easy. So we have already have help videos. You can create that applications right by checking the help videos. Right, later on, if you want to configure anything in the applications, you can do that from here. Moving next, we have the marketing feature, wherein the most amazing thing is the messenger, wherein it allows you to trigger notifications on the mobile app. So let's say you have got your own mobile application downloaded by your learners, and you want to trigger some notification to them. It's exactly similar like someone pings you in WhatsApp and you get a notification. So how you can do that? Just click on new campaign. What's going to be the campaign name, the target audience? You can just apply filters. Let's say people who haven't logged into your application from last 2 days or onto the platform from last 2 days or 3 days, you want to target them. Just click on login here, choose the number of days. After days, like it's going to be, let's say, 2 days or 3 days, add that number, add the notification title message. If you want to add some icon or images, you can do that. Even you can set up the target link, where exactly on which page they should land. Start that link here. Once it's done, you can just schedule it on recurring. Let's say when to start and when to end, you can just define that, and system will take care of that automatically. Not just that, you can, like, this filters allow you to target any sort of audience on your platform through mobile notifications. So it's free, it's unlimited. You can target any number of audience. It's purely up to you. In the similar manner, you can also trigger website notifications, which we call as web push, are designed in exactly the similar manner. Right. Soon we are also coming up with the email funnel. So again, that will be another feature which will get added here. Then you can go ahead and write blogs here. Obviously, it helps in the SEO of the platform. So you can keep on writing the blogs here. You can just add all of these details and start writing the blog. Once done, you can just trigger and publish here, and the blogs will be published. Then you can also run your own virtual wallet here. Right. The wallet can be the current, like it's a virtual currency which will only work on your platform. The users can earn this by referring their friends. So basically, the refer and earn feature that is here, referrals, and they'll earn this as a cashback as well. You can offer them. So let's say if they're purchasing any course, they can earn this like 5% to 10% cash back in terms of virtual currency. They can only utilize this currency for purchasing your courses only later on. So it's purely up to you. You can even define the usage rules. Like if someone has got 1,000 coins already in their wallet, whether how much percentage of that can be used in a single go, you can set up all of that here. Then you can create promo codes. Unlimited promo codes can be created here. Up to 90% is the max you can create here. So you just simply click on it. You want to suggest the code on checkout page, or you want to specifically link that promo code to an affiliate or a learner. You can do all of that stuff from here. Referrals, we've already talked about. People referring your application to the others, they can earn some benefits. That is basically your virtual currency. And affiliate marketing, you can also allow your own learners to become your affiliates. The complete tracking of is done automatically by the system itself. You just have to do the settlement offline in this case. Right. So next, moving, we have the integrations part. You have got integration with Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel for the complete tracking of your traffic on the website. You can even, like, all the conversions, if you're running paid ads, are automatically being tracked, and you are able to check out the data in your Facebook or Google Ad Managers. Then we also have integration with Zapier and Pabbly Connect for tools which are not directly linked. But if you want to set up an automation, you want to use different tools for that, you can use these two different tools. We also have got integration with Google Tag Manager, WhatsApp Widget, FOMO, Zoom integration. We have integration with Zoho. For email marketing, we have as of now direct integration with MailChimp. But as I mentioned, we are already coming up with internal email funneling system, email funnels, wherein you will be able to trigger that emails from here itself. Lastly, we have settings wherein we allow you to set up your own custom domain. We allow you to set up payment gateway from here. It's one of the most easiest tasks. Just put in your PAN number and account details, click verify now, and it's done. Right. And the invoicing settings or the security settings, what email communication has to be rolled out to you, is getting rolled out to your learners. All of that you can control from here. So with that, we are done. Thank you so much.